This is the LumiAir Stack by Onsmo. We made this light with portability and convenience in mind. Hence, it has bicolor capabilities ranging from 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin. With an output of 1300 lumens, this light is more than bright enough to light up challenging situations. Its slim form factor allows you to mount and use it anywhere, anytime. Although you can power it off a wall, this light also could be powered with a Sony NP-F battery, making it even more convenient. But not only that, if you happen to get multiple lights, you can stack them as many as you want with the included stack adapter. This would allow you to create a larger light source or create unique and interesting patterns. With the included accessories, you can either mount it on your camera, light stand, or even on a table. The convenience of the LumiAir Stack allows you as a creator to focus on what's important. Available now, right at your fingertips.